nervous tissues. This is what the next animal tissue from the list is. Barabar? So, whenever I say nervous tissue, immediately something will hit your brain, something you will remember. You know what it is. Nervous tissues are always, yes, found in the nervous system. And nervous system means not only brain. Even other parts are there which are the part of a nervous system. Like your spinal cord is there, right? Then some more similar structures which are associated with your nervous system. So you may be knowing about nervous system. Basically, it is divided into three parts. Do you know what are those parts of nervous system? Those are nerves, yeah. The parts, when I say, it will include CNS, PNS, ANS. Have you heard these words? CNS, PNS, ANS. Study of nerves is not there, but study of nervous system is there, which we will call it as neurology. And those doctors are called as neurosurgeons. You know, those doctors who treat brain diseases, and they are very expensive, they are very costly. So people, after getting into medical, they die to become these neurologists. You must have seen in that movie also, Kabir Singh, neuro crack karta tha. So that neurology is very important fields in this nerve, this brain, you can say, or doctors. Now this CNS is your central nervous system. Central, because it is there in your axis of the body. So what comes in this CNS? Your brain and spinal cord. इसमें क्या क्या आता है? Brain and spinal cord. These two things togetherly forms your CNS. Good. Now PNS. So PNS stands for peripheral nervous system. Okay, peripheral nervous system. Now why you call it as a peripheral? Periphery means what? Border. So this nervous system is not in the axis. It is there in the periphery of the body. So periphery means what? That will be your hands, legs, other than the axis. Correct? So this involves basically nerves. This is made up of what? Nerves. Now which nerves? So there are two main types of nerves. Some nerves which arise from the brain, we call it as cranial nerves. And those nerves which arise from spinal cord, they will be called as a spinal nerves. समझ में आया? So we have got two types of nerves that forms your PNS. Cranial nerves means those nerves which arise from brain, and spinal nerves which arise from spinal cord. So we have total 12 pairs of cranial nerves in birds and mammals. Remember this, birds, reptiles and mammals, they have got 12 pairs. But if you say in fish, it has only 10 pairs of these cranial nerves. और ये तुम्हारे competitive exams वाला question है. How many cranial nerves are present in fish, frog, reptiles, birds, mammals? So answer should be fish and frog में how many? They have 10 pairs. And reptiles में, birds में और mammals में they have 12 pairs. Now spinal nerves, when you talk about, there are 31 pairs in human. Only human you remember. Other animals have other number or different number. So we have 31 pairs of spinal nerves, 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Now coming to the ANS. ANS stands for autonomous nervous system. This is what? Autonomous nervous system. Or sometimes it is also referred as visceral nervous system. Now why it should be called as a visceral? Because it controls your visceral organs. Like your heart, kidneys, lungs, intestine, gonads, that is reproductive organs, all that is controlled by this nervous system. And this also consists of nerves only. This is also made up of special nerves, and those nerves are the combination of these cranial nerves and spinal nerves. So you don't have to learn that in detail. That will be your next year's topic. So in 10th you will learn about all these three nervous systems in little bit more detail. ठीक है, इतना समझ में आया? Whenever you say nervous system, these three parts you should remember. CNS, visceral means internal organs. CNS, PNS, ANS. Now coming to the unit of this nervous system. So whenever you say unit of this nervous system, what will be the answer? Unit of nervous system is exactly nerve cell, or you also can call it as neuron, है ना? Nerve cell or neuron, structural and functional unit of nervous system, and it is the longest cell also. If you remember, you have heard this. This is the longest cell in our body. How long is it? Exactly 1 meter.
1 meter.
Maybe more than 1 meter long also. Yes, more than 1 meter long also. You remember I have sent you one soft copy of that cell chapter. Read in that. You have one example where the neuron is 10 meter long. Now find it out. It is there. You just read it.
Giant squid math or
Very good. Yes.
some giant squid.
Exactly.
Giant squid.
हाँ, तो उसमें
Giant squid, right.
10 meter long nerve cell is there, or a neuron is there. So now this neuron or a nervous system, I mean this neuron or nerve cell is it starts in your head, ends in your toe, but not necessary that every neuron should start from the head and end in the toe. There may be relay neurons. You know, relay race. How you participate in your relay race. Same is the case here. That advantage is what? Every organ is supplied with these nerves and they have to work. So without this, no organ or no sensation will be possible. You know leprosy patients? Have you heard the disease leprosy? Kushta rog. So in that case, that person is not able to feel any sensation. Now why that person does not feel any sensation is because these neurons are damaged by the bacterium, and that bacterium is Mycobacterium leprae, which lives inside the nerve cells. You know, Baba Amte had served those patients suffering from this leprosy. So now coming to this, these nerves or these cells, they stop dividing, they become mature. Initially they can divide, they can grow, they can multiply, but later when they become mature, they stop dividing. That is the feature of these nerves. Now we will talk about that number also. You must have heard also, somebody may be knowing how many neurons are there in our body. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, how many? Yeah, there is treatment, there are some medicines. Not 3 million, they are in billions. Okay, so we have maybe 2 billion or more than 2 billion these neurons. You just confirm it. We need to confirm it, huh? 2 billion. Confirm kar lena. Now when you talk about its structure, so do you remember this? Basic you have already done in your lower class. Last year तुम लोगों ने इसका basic diagram पढ़ा था? हाँ? Don't remember ना? No issues. Now I'll tell you. ठीक है, तो now I will draw the diagram and explain to you. Shall I erase this? You noted down this. Erase करूँ इसको मैं भी. हाँ, parts I will tell you that, and also you need to practice the diagram. Shall I erase this? 86.
7 trillion दिखा रहा था.
हाँ, so that's why I was not sure.
दिखा रहा था.
ठीक है. So you don't write this number. You confirm it and write 86 billion. Yeah, it should be in trillions also because I wanted to confirm it.
7 trillions.
That's good. चलो, erase करूँ इसको मैं. Are you ready to learn the diagram now and the parts?
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
sir.
noted down this?
Yes, sir.
Note किया तुम लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah, 86 billion. See, Ahilya has also searched. Now we will talk about its. So, when I say neuron, then it can be broadly divided into two parts. You know two parts. Which two parts those are? Here it is. This is the first part that looks like star shape. And what do you call this part as? इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Cyton. So this is the first part which looks like star, and this is called as a cyton, or also called as cell body. Another name for the same is cell body. ठीक है, always grey in color, and this forms outer part of our brain, and our brain looks grey in color. Because of this only color of a brain is grey. समझे? Now this consists of, क्या क्या होता है इसमें? It has got a nucleus, because it is nothing but modified animal cell. It has a nucleus, it has a cytoplasm, and inside cytoplasm it has some granules. Inside the cytoplasm it has some granules for nourishment, and those granules are called as Needles granules. सुना है ऐसा कोई नाम तुम लोगों ने? So it has got some granules which are called as Needles granules. These. What is the function of these Needles granules? They provide nourishment to this cyton. And now it gives out some branches. We can see here, these are all branches. So these branches are called as dendron single. Dendrites plural. Very good, Ahilya. Singular number dendron, plural number dendrites. So what is the function of these dendrites now? So the main function of these dendrites is they receive the sensation, stimulus, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं scientifically stimulus, like this. So you can understand by this diagram, right? Look at this. So who receives this stimulus? Dendrites. And then that is passed. Yes, stimulus is singular, stimuli is plural. So they receive the stimulus, pass it to the cyton, and then from cyton it is transferred to the next part, which is the cylindrical part of the neuron, and the cylindrical part is called as axon, right? So this part is called as axon. So always this sensation or this stimulus, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Stimulus. Always it moves from cyton to axon, never from axon to cyton. समझ में आया? डायरेक्शन हमेशा cyton से axon ही होगा. This is what called as axon. समझा? Comfortable? Now depending upon how many branches are there, how many dendrites are there are different types of these neurons. Like it can be called as unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. Uni means one dendron, bi means two dendrons, multi means many dendrons or dendrites. Did you understand? Unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. So this diagram is of multipolar neuron. We have bipolar neuron in our retina of eyes. That is your competitive exam question. Unipolar is not there in our body. It is in the body of invertebrates. समझे? Understood this much? Now, depending upon direction of conduction of this sensation, stimulus, there are three more types. And those types are here. Sensory, motor, and mixed. Mixed को association भी बोलते हैं. So these are the types of neurons. On what basis? Direction of conduction of stimulus. Now, sensory means those neurons which will carry the sensation or a stimulus towards CNS. इनका डायरेक्शन होता है, दे कैरी द सेंसेशन टुवर्ड्स CNS, that is brain and your spinal cord. Motor will carry the sensation or stimulus away from CNS, away from CNS, okay, and then mixed one will carry in both the directions, towards the CNS as well as away from CNS. समझ में आया? तीनों टाइप समझ में आया?
सर mixed कहाँ पे होती है?
हाँ, sense organs we are talking about. Sense organs we are talking about. First type is that sensory. Sensory means like from your body part towards your brain. Motor means from brain to again body part. And mixed means in both the directions. So these are the three types. ठीक है? समझा इतना? We have. Wait, no, don't talk. Type your message. I cannot hear you properly.
सर इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्सेस सर वो कैसे सर वो साइटोन से एक्सॉन जाते हैं कि एक्सॉन से साइटोन?
एक न्यूरॉन में सिर्फ साइटोन से एक्सॉन ही जाएगा. इट विल नेवर मूव फ्रॉम एक्सॉन टू साइटोन. फिर अभी आई टोल्ड यू न्यूरॉन्स नॉट नेसेसरी दे शुड बी वेरी लॉन्ग, दे मे बी शॉर्ट ऑल्सो. अभी दो न्यूरॉन है, एक न्यूरॉन है ये वाला, दिस एंडेड हियर, देन इसका जो मैसेज लाया था ये आगे जाने के लिए दूसरा न्यूरॉन है इधर, और इधर तुम्हारा टारगेट ऑर्गन है. समझ में आ रहा है? नाउ हियर देयर इज ए गैप बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स. दिस गैप इज फिल्ड विथ one chemical substance, and this chemical substance is known as a neurotransmitter, and this gap is called as synapse. समझ में आया? So there is a gap between two neurons. अभी दो न्यूरॉन में भी कौन से पार्ट्स में? Axon of one neuron and cyton of another neuron. So when this gap will be filled, then only this impulse or a sensation will move from one neuron to another neuron. So remember, this is important concept. Now we will talk about other parts. Now when you look at the structure of this axon, it is made up of small segments. You can see here like sugar cane. So these segments can be called as a nodes and internodes. ये वाले पार्ट को हम लोग बोलते हैं internode. And the place where these internodes are connected to each other, that place will be called as a node of Ranvier. Important name. The place where two internodes are connected to each other, it is known as node of Ranvier. Yes. And now as it is a cell only, animal cell only, it has a plasma membrane around itself. Now this plasma membrane is known as a neurilemma. इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? न्यूरिलेमा. समझे? एंड नाउ इन सम न्यूरॉन्स बिलो दिस न्यूरिलेमा देयर इज वन मोर लेयर which is white in color, and that is known as myelin sheath. समझे? Below neurilemma, in some neurons, there is myelin sheath present. Now, if it is present, the color of this neuron or axon will be white. If it is absent, then the color will be grey. So now you have got two more types of these neurons. Which two types? That is myelinated neurons and non-myelinated neurons. Are you understanding? Myelinated neurons, non-myelinated neurons. Myelinated are covered by myelin sheath, color will be white. And these non-myelinated are grey. Now what difference does it make? तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा अगर ये माइलिन शीथ है या फिर माइलिन शीथ नहीं है तो? सो माइलिन शीथ if it is present, the speed of message sensation will be faster. For example, in our case, the speed will be about 120 meters per second. So how quick it is? You know, your body part touches to the hot object and suddenly it is withdrawn from that place. So this is within fractions of seconds. So 120 meter per second is the speed of this myelinated fibers, myelinated neurons. So that will protect you from future accidents, injuries. And this is only 20 meter per second. So this is the main difference which is caused because of this. समझ में आया? Did you understand? हाँ?
सर वो मोटर न्यूरॉन्स, मिक्स्ड न्यूरॉन्स, ये सब किस बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट दे आर क्लासिफाइड?
Direction of conduction of sensation. जैसे if you talk about your body part touches to any hot object, there will be a sensory neuron that will take the impulse or a message to your brain. This is the function of sensory neuron. Now from brain there will be another neuron called as a motor neuron that will take the message to your muscles in your hand, and then your hand will be withdrawn from that place. So this is the way how these two neurons work. One carries message to the brain, other carries message away from the brain. और CNS I said, CNS मतलब brain भी हो सकता है या फिर spinal cord भी हो सकता है. समझ में आया अभी? All these terminologies also you understood. What is synapse? What is neurotransmitter? Synapse is the gap. ये relay neurons हैं. मतलब जरूरी नहीं कि every neuron should start from the head and should end in the target organ. There may be a gap also between respective neurons. This gap is known as a synapse. This gap is then filled with one chemical substance जिसको बोलते हैं न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एसिटाइलकोलिन एक कॉमन नाम है इसका जो न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर का काम करता है. एसिटाइलकोलिन माइलिनेटेड का स्पीड था 120 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये माइलिनेटेड मिक्स विथ माइलिन शीट. समझा?
वो एसिटाइलक्लोरिक का स्पेलिंग बताइए ना.
You can see, no, ACETYLCHOLINE. Very systematically I have written. You can take a screenshot also and note down that later on. तो डिफरेंस क्या था? माइलिनेटेड फाइबर्स में माइलिन शीथ होता है, नॉन माइलिनेटेड फाइबर्स में माइलिन शीथ नहीं होता है. ठीक है. अब ये वाला जो एंड है ना, इसको बोलते हैं एक्सॉन.
और मल्टीपोलर नर्व्स कहाँ पाए जाते हैं?
They are there. All types are there simultaneously or parallelly running from your brain or your spinal cord to all parts of the body. ठीक है. सिर्फ फंक्शंस अलग अलग हैं. This is your axon terminal. और इसमें जो बल्ब्स दिख रहे हैं ना, इनके अंदर वो केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस स्टोर्ड होते हैं. ये जैसे कि एसिटाइलकोलिन, और देयर में भी सम मोर सच केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं. जैसे एड्रेनलिन एक और है, डोपामाइन नाम का एक और केमिकल सब्सटेंस होता है, और ये जरूरी होता है. इफ दे आर नॉट सिक्रीटेड पर्सन माइट सफर फ्रॉम अ डिजीज. समझ में आया? सिनेप्टिक क्लेफ्ट इज दिस ओनली गैप बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स. अंडरस्टूड काव्या? हु आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन? सिनेप्टिक क्लेफ्ट. क्लेफ्ट इज व्हाट? ऑलवेज अ गैप. तो ये वाला जो पार्ट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, इसी को हम लोग बोलेंगे सिनेप्टिक क्लेफ्ट. ठीक? या. So I hope everybody has understood this. Now some more information if you want. What? It is there. I said myelin sheath नहीं होगा तो speed कम होता है. So there are actually two ions which are required for this transmission. Those ions are sodium ions and potassium ions. ये इनकी वजह से ये conduction of impulse या message होता है. तो ये ion इसके अंदर और बाहर diffuse होते रहते हैं. Sodium ions and potassium ions, they keep on diffusing so that sensation is carried out. तो जो myelinated fiber होते हैं, वो myelinated fiber ये पूरे internode को कवर कर देते हैं. Myelin sheath is present around entire internode except this node of Ranvier. तो जो diffusion of ions होगा वो सिर्फ node of Ranvier में ही होगा. Are you understanding? Myelinated fiber में myelin sheath is present across whole internode, will not be present on the node. तो जो diffusion of ion होगा वो सिर्फ node of Ranvier में होगा. तो जैसे यहाँ diffusion हो गया, that सेंसेशन और इम्पल्स विल जंप टू द नेक्स्ट नोड, फिर इस नोड से
सर कौन सा है इसका?
लिखा है बच्चा, यू कैन रीड इट, Na+ एंड K+। तो यहाँ से जंप करते हैं आयंस, एक नोड ऑफ रैनवियर से दूसरे नोड ऑफ रैनवियर में, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ, इसीलिए उसका स्पीड ज़्यादा होता है। बट जब हम लोग नॉन माइलिनेटेड फाइबर्स की बात करेंगे तो ये माइलिन शीट नहीं है, तो ये आयंस को पूरा नोड और इंटरनोड सब डिफ्यूज करके आगे बढ़ना होगा, तो स्पीड विल बी स्लो। सो बाय द वे दिस इज फॉर योर एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन, आई टोल्ड यू, सिर्फ ये 2 आयंस जरूरी होते हैं जिनके बिना अपना कंडक्शन ऑफ इम्पल्स पॉसिबल नहीं होता है। समझ में आया? एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड दिस? एनीबडी हैज एनी डाउट विद दिस? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है? डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर पाओगे?
हाँ सर.
Neurulema is nothing but that plasma membrane because it is nothing but a modified cell. अहिल्या, तो जैसे हम लोगों ने मसल्स में पढ़ा था सार्कोलेमा, वैसे यहाँ पे होगा न्यूरिलेमा, समझे? So it is nothing but modified plasma membrane. Am I clear? अहिल्या, समझ में आया? ठीक है
सर डाउट है एक.
हाँ पूछो.
सर पिछले साल हम लोग ने वो ईयर का डायग्राम ये किया था, स्टडी किया था, तो उसमें कॉक्लिया के अंदर उन्होंने बोला था कि
ऑडिटरी ना होता है, ऑडिटरी ना होता है,
मतलब कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं?
ऑडिटरी नर्व है, एवरी ऑर्गन इज सप्लाइड विद नर्व्स। जैसे हमारे आईज में ब्रेन से ऑप्टिक नर्व आता है, तो ऑप्टिक नर्व आईज से ब्रेन की तरफ मैसेज लेके जाएगा, समझे ना? वैसे ही कान में दैट विल बी कॉल्ड ऑडिटरी नर्व, उसका काम है टू कैरी द सेंसेशन ऑफ हियरिंग। सो एवरी ऑर्गन इज सप्लाइड विद दिस। समझ में आया? यस?
यस सर.
बस डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑर्गन, कौन सा ऑर्गन है उस पे डिपेंड करता है. सो हियर इज योर डायग्राम, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, यू कैन ड्रॉ ऑल्सो, या फिर टेक्स्ट बुक वाला डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ किया तो चलेगा, बट दिस इज कॉन्सेप्चुअल डायग्राम, इजंट इट? So I wish कि you draw this diagram. This will help you to understand the concept.